Hey everybody, today we're going to take a look at this Hampton Bay Veranda 2 outdoor ceiling fan. Now before I turn this fan on, I'll go ahead and show you where I'm at. Right now I'm at a log cabin in the North Georgia mountains, and over there is a good view of the mountains, kind of. Anyway, back to the fan. This cabin, it has another one of these fans that's on a patio upstairs, and right now I'm on the patio downstairs, the front patio actually, and this is where this fan's located. Alright, and in here you have the wall control for it. It's a 3-speed wall control. Alright, so let's turn the light on first. You can kind of see it. And let's go ahead and put the fan on low speed. There's really not that much difference between the 3 speeds of this fan. Especially medium and high speed, you really can't tell the difference between those 2 speeds. Low speed, you can kind of tell a difference, but it's kind of fast for low. Okay, now we'll go ahead and go to medium speed. And that one's just slightly faster than low. Now we'll go to high, which again, you really can't tell much of a difference, but it's still a little bit faster though. Okay, well that's about it for this video, so hope you guys enjoyed this.